Hello everyone, this is Jim Ogrozinski with your wrap-up video. I just want to thank everyone for an interesting 12-week short semester. Read a lot of interesting topics and essays. So far, I've seen quite a few really interesting Weebly websites. I hope the assignment hasn't been too overwhelming. I believe between the Weebly YouTube channel and some of the videos that I posted that hopefully everyone found the assignment fun and interesting way to wrap up the short semester. So our very last week here is a short one. The only thing that is due is the final reflection is due Tuesday. Also, I want to point out I've had several inquiries about extending due dates for the Weebly Essay 4 and the blog post. I believe those assignments, I've extended those due dates to be open until, I shouldn't say the due date is Sunday. However, I did extend those assignments. They are open through the official close of the course, which will be Friday, the 17th, May 17th. End of day is when the course closes. So I've gotten several emails from students who are just having all sorts of challenges at this end of the semester, whether it be workload or other instances. So I will take the final draft, the Weebly link for Essay 4, and also the blog post number 4 through that Friday. One thing I do want to point out is that Weebly link is static. Once that link has been published, that is your link. That is your domain name. When you set it up there, whatever it is at Weebly.com, you can turn around and just submit those to the final assignment. And in the comments box, let me know exactly when do you want me to assess your website for your final grade on that assignment. The link does not change. It'll stay the same. That way you know I have it and it is loaded in the Blackboard. And if you want me to review it after Friday, I will review it on the weekend. So, that being said, I want to thank you all once again for a great semester. Hope everything worked out well for you. And good luck.